Look at this awesome Porsche 911. This was quite an interesting request we got from this customer. He didn't want to redo the leather on it, so this is the original leather. We just cleaned it up and conditioned it real well as the horn area. But what he wanted to do was to remove the old paddle shifters off of this, which were on the back sides of the spokes. So we removed the paddle shifters, and then we filled in the holes where they were at, and then upholstered over the whole center hub with new black leather. So now he's got a different function steering wheel. I guess he just didn't want the buttons on it, or didn't have the paddle shifter mechanisms wired into the wiring harness. But whichever the fact, this guy is going to love this. We'll be shipping this out today. And so we do get some odd requests here at Craft Customs, but we do our best to handle each one of those. So whatever you need, give us a call at 214-564-1170 or online at craftcustoms.com.